cookies. Tiana, Mulan, and Pocahontas is in there. And the Disney one. Happy birthday.
Oh no, the baby's in pain. The baby's in pain right now.
How do you know the baby's in pain?
Because I can see it turning red. Great. Now the butt part. Just great. Good thing it's a woman now. Okay, another one. No.
Wait.
Before I scan it.
Wait.
Not that one. Not that one. Not that. Not that. Oh. No, I'm scanning it.
Inside the heart.
Okay. I'm in. Great. Now men.
My battery's dying, Jimmy.
I'm already in. What? Okay, what is this? What is this? Oh. I think
Look at that.
Whoa.
We got the boring books in primary school.
I've got the new books in primary school. And it's so cool. Too bad that you don't
What's
get
that?
it. What is what?
The white things.
I cannot see right now.
I guess.
I can't see right now.
Should we take it off?
Ew! Gross. I can. Okay, exit right now. From me.
From my daughter.
It's my birthday today.
Happy birthday, baby girl.
Thank you. Yeah. And I got a VR. It's a science VR.
I don't think I'll be doing a turkey. I'm just gonna try to get some whole chicken. roast one of them for Thanksgiving. Please, please, okay. Y'all, I want to cook a beef dish so bad, and I know I can't. Like, I had an adverse reaction to meat when I was pregnant, and one Sunday, babe cooked beef, and I smelled it, and since then I have not been able to stomach the smell of beef cooking. And it's been 8 years, and I still can't. Thanksgiving weekend was pretty busy in our house. Hubby's birthday, daughter's birthday, tomorrow's Thanksgiving. As y'all know, I haven't been in the greatest of spirits, so I decided the turkey thing was not gonna happen. Did that last year. And it took several days of prep. But so now Thanksgiving is tomorrow, and I'm going to get things in order for that. We're having company over for dinner. Another Jamaican couple we've met since we've been here. We've become friends, and you know, that's what our Thanksgiving is going to look like. So I've decided I'm going to do roast chicken instead of like a turkey. I'm gonna do a whole roast chicken. I'm gonna cut it down either in the front or in the back, open it out, and roast it that way. Then there's veg, I guess rice and peas. I'm gonna bake macaroni and cheese and do a cranberry sauce. Anyway, and they're bringing things as well. So this is prep for that, and hopefully I don't spend the whole day tomorrow in the kitchen. I'm thinking 3 hours, so I'm going to prep enough that I should be in the kitchen tomorrow for no more than 3 hours. You leave it? let me give you some drama about this mac and cheese, yeah? So the first thing that went wrong is I couldn't find any heavy cream. I don't know what happened. We went to 3 stores and couldn't find any heavy cream. So I ended up using half and half, which I already knew wasn't going to have the sauce be as rich, but I figured, all right, cool. So I used half and half, and I just put a whole milk that I have. So the next thing that I did wrong is I purchased pre-shredded cheese. Pre-shredded and packaged cheese. No, my lazy butt knew better. I knew I should have just bought the blocks of cheese and grated it. But did I do that? No, I did not. So I'm adding, in addition to stirring this milk while it heat, and adding this cheese and stirring, it wasn't melting completely. It was sort of doing this clumpy thing, which really pissed me off so bad. I'm so sorry, but it really did. But anyway, the finished product turned out good. You know, everyone said it was okay, but I was a little bit mad with myself because I knew it could have been better if I had done what I knew I should have done. I'm coming up on a lot of that lately, not doing what I know that I should do, kind of not listening to myself, like kind of not trusting myself is something that I am struggling with at the moment. And I don't know, I'm trying to give myself more grace. I'm also not giving myself enough grace, and I'm trying to, but yeah, y'all didn't need to hear all of that over some mac and cheese. But yeah, it turned out great anyway, so thank God for Jesus. I suppose, is Monday, Tuesday. See, one of the best things about Thanksgiving dinner, and I suppose Christmas dinner too, you don't have to worry about what's for dinner. It's all in the fridge. All in the fridge. Don't gotta worry about dinner. Don't gotta worry about lunch. Baby, we gonna eat it all.